All right, we're back in the shop with my countertop. It's hard to see, but it's just rippled and it looks like crap. There's all kinds of pock marks in it. That was me filling a hole, I don't mind that. But there's all, I wonder if I tip it up this way if you can see better. Right there's probably the best spot. You can see it. Just crinkled. We've got our pneumatic sander. We're gonna start with an 80 grit and then we'll go from there. We're just trying to take the finish all the way off. Once I get the finish off, then I'll come over to our big grizzly sander over there and make it nice and smooth again. But let's see if I can set you up somewhere so you can see what I'm doing. Everybody loves watching people sand, right? Isn't that the funnest thing ever? So, gone through 14 pads of paper, and it's coming along. I've got a little bit of it down to the raw wood, but it's taken a lot longer than I thought it was going to, and a lot more paper. I've actually ran out of the 80 grit, so I got to go grab some more. So we'll just take a little walk over here. Right over there, look at that, look at that, boom. We'll just grab a bunch of it. We'll come back over here, try to get this done. Looks like we've been going for about an hour. So let's set you back here. Hopefully it doesn't take another hour to finish this up, but we'll see, I guess, huh? back down to the raw maple. There's still a little bit of the stain that's still in that middle section, but that's okay because I'm just going to stain it again. Here's the sandpaper we used. If you guessed 34 pieces, that's how many it took. All right, now we're going to send it through the big grizzly machine over here. It's our big sander. There's a lot of stuff in the way, so I'll move that stuff and then we'll start it up. All right, we've got it turned on. Sorry it's a lot louder. The air system and the air has to be on. So we take our little micrometer, let me turn it on. Come over here to our piece of wood. Figure it out. Right there. Oh, that's in millimeters. We don't want millimeters. We want inches. So let's see, that is 1.36. All right. Come up here and go. Yep, there's the magnet. 1.360. Start. And then that thing will move up. It's hard to tell, but it's moving up ever so slowly. You can see that gear driving down there. It'll come up to the size we need. It's there. We go ahead and turn it on. It's on. Let me set you up here. All right. Twice, one each way. All right, we just finished with the big sander. She is perfectly smooth now. But yeah, we'll hit it with some 220 and then get it ready for stain. All right, so at some point, I'm gonna sneeze. Wow. All right, so at some point my camera stopped, but I finished sanding it at the 220. Got a little bit of wood filler I had to put on there just to fill a few holes that came out when I sanded it, but not too bad. We'll let those dry. We'll sand it down one more time, and then we'll go on to staining. It's coming along though. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to blow tap and static. Okay, I think we're done with the blow tap and static. Take it over to get it stained. Well, apparently I didn't get any of the footage of me staining it, but here's the final stain. Turned out really nice. It's a little darker than I wanted it, but I think it's gonna turn out great. And then I just gotta get the clear coat put on there, and we'll have a countertop done.